Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a SaaS. First, you must validate your idea by identifying a real problem your software can solve. Research your target market thoroughly to understand their specific needs and pain points. Analyze existing competitors to discover market gaps and define your unique selling proposition. Finally, build a minimum viable product, or MVP, to test your core features with early users and gather crucial feedback. Next, focus on building your SaaS product. Select a scalable technology stack that aligns with your application's requirements and future growth. Develop the core features with a strong emphasis on user experience and intuitive functionality. It is crucial to implement robust security measures from day one to protect all user data. Always plan for future scalability and potential integrations with other essential services. With your product ready, it is time to launch and market your SaaS. Develop a clear pricing strategy that reflects the value you provide and aligns with market rates. Create a compelling marketing plan to effectively reach your target audience. Utilize various channels like content marketing, search engine optimization, and social media for maximum visibility. Remember, offering excellent customer support is vital for building trust and ensuring long-term customer retention. Finally, focus on growing and scaling your SaaS business. Continuously collect user feedback to iterate and improve your product based on real-world usage. Monitor key performance indicators, or KPI, such as monthly recurring revenue and customer acquisition cost, to track your growth effectively. Explore new features and integrations to expand your offerings and attract more users. Prioritize customer retention and actively work to reduce churn rates for sustainable success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.